Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Passion Planner Plan with me. This week we're going to use the Happy Halloween Witch in Light and the deco box from the October Passion Planner sticker subscription kit. It's one of three. Last week we used the Quiet Winter, and the previous week I actually did use the Happy Halloween Witch, but it's going to be a totally different spread with the boxes, just by selecting a few different washi. So let's get started. This week I decided to use some dark color washi with a flower pattern on top. It's got like an orangey flower, so I thought it's kind of perfect for Halloween, even though there isn't any orange. So the way I like to decorate with washi is kind of separate the spread into different sections so it's not so big and vast that the stickers look kind of just floating in space. And I find that this is really good to kind of balance out the whole spread. After I put the washi tape in the spread, then I like to put like a very, very thin strip on top if I'm not using any date covers. So the next thing I like to do is put the biggest sticker into my spread, and that usually is a place where I have like an all-day appointment or something that I really need to block off, and that's where the boxes come in handy. Every week I use my girl sticker, and she's always in the same place on the bottom right hand side. And in this week's focus box, I usually put the handwritten stickers or the sheet's theme, name, title kind of sticker in the box. It's prettiest where that handwriting sticker is. So that this week is Happy Halloween. Then I finish it off with the other big stickers in the kit. Yeah, so those are really decorative stickers. I don't have any plans for it, so they're just kind of balancing out the spread, especially when there's those two big 8-hour blocks. And then I kind of go down the list of like, what are the biggest stickers in the kit that I plan to use? Where am I not gonna write, or where am I am gonna write? Like the heart checkbox list things I know I have to do's during those days, so that's where I put them. I also like to kind of highlight the area where a deco sticker is going to be, just kind of give it like a little background, so a little pop. Like that sticker isn't going to fill that whole space, so there's a lot of negative space in that column of that box, and that's why I like to put some highlighters color in it. Okay, now that all the big stickers are in, only the deco stickers are left, and I kind of fill them out where there is space. I like to kind of break up the spread with the highlighter again. You can see me doing that in different areas. What I strive for most is balance. I really like the spread to look very even, because when I put so much sticker on it, you don't want it all in one spot. There again, I put a highlighter underneath some deco stickers, just to give it a little bit of like a background to kind of help it pop. I have a lot to do this week, so I didn't cover any of the to-do section. And you can see like how I put the moon and the Happy Halloween Witch on one side. That's to balance that area out. We are planning to do happy hour this Friday. I'm very excited about it, so that's why that big sticker is there, because I plan to spend all day eating and drinking. Yeah. Now that all the stickers are in, I'm just gonna fill it out with the appointment that I have this week, and some of the stuff I know I'm gonna do at a specific time. So I have a DMB appointment. That's not gonna be fun, but happy hours afterwards, so it'll be good. I need to do grocery on Sundays, and we agreed that we're gonna be meatless on Sunday. I really like that skeleton hand stickers holding a card. It's really fun to write whatever you need to, or if there's an appointment or something you need to remember. That sticker's like really fun for Halloween. I have a couple post office trips this week that I need to go to, And this is when I decided I didn't like that pink at all. It didn't match the spread. It was way too bright and light. And then I remember I have a gray highlighter, so I erased them and put the gray. I'm filling out with the to-dos. And then for my gratitude log, I usually write that in a brush script on the bottom, but since the Halloween witch sticker's already there, I decided I just was going to write it with my highlighter. And then I just filled in what I have scheduled and what I have planned for the week, and then I'm kind of ready to go. So that's about it. Here's what it looks like sort of before the pen, and ta-da! Here's what it looks like after the pen. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video.